Example 3 says state the power and the constant of variation for the function, graph it, and analyze it. So we have f of x equals 2 on the 4th root of x. So let's see, state the power. What's the power here?
4.
Well, how can I rewrite that 4th root?
1 over...
Yeah, 1 over 4, right? Okay. Okay, so what is my power going to be for this one?
1/4.
Oops, I got my eraser on. Hold on a second. 1/4. And let's see, what is my constant?
2.
All right, so let's think about this. If I go to graph this, I'm taking the 4th root. So can I take the 4th root of a negative? Can I take an even root of a negative number?
Yes.
No. Gives me an imaginary number, and we're looking at a graph, so it doesn't have any imaginary numbers on it, okay? So we're going to pick some like 0, 1, I don't know, 16 has a 4th root, okay? And so when we actually take the 4th root, so we got 2 on the 4th root of 0. What's the 4th root of 0? 0, which is 0. And then we have 2 on the 4th root of 1. What do you think the 4th root of 1 is? 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. And then 2 times the 4th root of 16. The 4th root of 16 is 2. If nothing else, you can factor it out using that factor tree. And 4th root means we're looking for 4 of a kind, and we have 4 2's there. So you get 2 times 2 then, which is 4. And so you have these ordered pairs that you can graph. Let me change colors here so it'll show up. So there's my 0, 0. Here's my 1, 2. And then I'm just going to have to skip some here. So here's 16. And we said it was going to be, what, 4? So it's going to look something like that. Looks like a square root function, doesn't it? Because it was an even root, so they're going to have the same similar shape. But they're not exact, so. All right, so let's see. Tell me about this. Tell me about the domain of it.
0 domain has 0 greater than 0.
Yeah. So 0 to infinity, 0 is included. What about the range?
0 to greater than 0.
Yeah, 0 to infinity. Is this one increasing, decreasing, or constant?
Increasing.
It's increasing across the entire graph there, right? Is it continuous?
Yes.
Yes. Does it have any symmetry?
No.
So remember, symmetry means is there a line that if we folded on it or something that it would be a reflection of itself, right? So it has no y-axis symmetry, it has no x-axis symmetry, and it's not symmetric to the origin. All right. Does it have any maximums or minimums?
Yes. A minimum of 0.
Okay, it actually has that absolute minimum of 0. We say absolute because it's the actually minimum of the entire graph, right? It's not just a little valley or a hilltop. And let's see what else. Bounded. Is it bounded above or below?
No.
It is. It's bounded where? Below. Why?
Because it can't go past 0.
Because it can't keep going down, so it's bounded below.